CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.3 Given a scenario, troubleshoot common mobile OS and application security issues. In the last video segment, we focused on tackling common mobile OS problems. Now, let's dive into mobile security issues. Our mobile devices are powerful, handy, and unfortunately, prime targets for malware, spyware, and other nasty threats. From app spoofing to data leaks, the security risks are real. So let's explore these concerns, learn how to spot warning signs, and troubleshoot these issues like a pro. Let's begin by looking at some of the common security concerns that make mobile OS security a challenge. Understanding these risks is crucial for protecting both the device and its data, whether the device is being used personally or within a business environment. One major concern involves unofficial application stores. Most mobile devices are designed to download apps through official application marketplaces such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. These official stores typically perform security reviews, malware scanning, and verification checks before applications are made available to users. While these protections are not perfect, they significantly reduce the risk of downloading malicious software. However, some users choose to install applications from unofficial app stores or third-party websites instead. On Android devices especially, this often involves downloading APK files directly from the internet rather than through the Google Play Store. To briefly explain, APK stands for Android Package Kit. It is the file format Android uses to distribute and install applications. Under normal circumstances, the Play Store handles the installation process automatically behind the scenes while also performing security checks. But when applications are downloaded from unofficial stores or random websites, those built-in protections can be bypassed entirely. Users may turn to unofficial application stores to access apps that are region-restricted, modified, unavailable through official channels, or still in beta testing. Unfortunately, these unofficial sources can also distribute malicious applications disguised as legitimate software. Malware hidden inside these apps may steal personal information, monitor activity, install additional malicious software, or compromise the device entirely. Because of these risks, downloading applications from official app stores is generally considered the safest approach. While unofficial application stores may occasionally provide access to legitimate apps, they also significantly increase the chances of installing harmful or unverified software. If an app store looks like it was designed in 5 minutes and promises free premium everything, that should probably set off a few alarm bells. Next up, we have developer mode. Many mobile operating systems include a special setting known as developer mode, which is designed primarily for software developers and advanced users. Developer mode provides access to additional tools and settings used for debugging applications, testing software, monitoring system behavior, and connecting the device to development tools on a computer. While these features can be incredibly useful for app development and troubleshooting, enabling developer mode can also reduce some of the device's built-in security protections. Certain settings available within developer mode may allow apps to bypass restrictions, enable USB debugging connections, or permit the installation of software from unofficial sources. If misused, these features could create additional opportunities for attackers or malicious applications to compromise the device. For everyday users, developer mode is usually unnecessary and is best left disabled unless there is a specific reason to use it. It is a bit like unlocking a hidden control panel filled with advanced switches. Very useful if you know exactly what you are doing, but potentially risky if you start flipping random settings just to see what happens. Moving on, we have root access for Android and jailbreaking for Apple iOS. These are both modifications that allow users to access the device's root or core system files, effectively unlocking the device's full potential. Although it sounds exciting, this process bypasses critical security layers and makes the device more susceptible to malware and unauthorized access. In professional settings, this is a big no-no. For that reason, many companies rely on MDM, or mobile device management systems, to prevent employees from rooting or jailbreaking their devices, ensuring that these modifications don't pose a security threat to the company. Another risk is installing unauthorized or malicious applications. These are typically low-cost or free versions of popular apps offered by shady sources to avoid paying for the legitimate versions. Often, these apps are designed to mimic the look and feel of real apps but may come with hidden malware. Just note that unauthorized apps can harm devices by tracking user activity, stealing data, or allowing hackers to control the device remotely, so be careful. Closely related to unauthorized or malicious applications is application spoofing. This is when a malicious app imitates the name, look, or features of legitimate apps to trick users into downloading it. Common signs of application spoofing include slightly misspelled app names or a ton of fake, 5-star reviews that often sound too good to be true. Even if an app is on an approved store, it's wise to check the developer's name for legitimacy, especially if the app is unfamiliar. Security-conscious users know that some imposters can slip through App Store defenses, so a bit of caution goes a long way. Now that we've covered security concerns, let's move on to the warning signs and common symptoms of mobile OS security issues. These symptoms, or clues, can help you identify when something's off with a device, indicating that further investigation is needed. High on the list of warning signs is high network traffic. If your device suddenly starts using more data than usual, it may have a fraudulent app running in the background. This is a classic sign of a compromised device. Malware types like spyware, adware, or botnet software often stay hidden while consuming data to transmit information. To troubleshoot, check your device's data usage to identify any suspicious or unfamiliar apps consuming excessive data, and if found, uninstall them immediately. Next, running a security scan with antivirus software can help detect hidden threats. Additionally, restricting background data for non-essential apps can further secure your device against unauthorized data usage. Keeping in line with high network traffic, be on the lookout for data usage limit notifications, as these can indicate a potential security issue. If your device hits its data cap and suddenly can't access emails or the internet, though calls and texts still work, a compromised application may be using data in the background, or malware could be generating high data use to overload your device. To troubleshoot, start by reviewing your data usage. Check for apps with unusually high data consumption. You should also uninstall any suspicious apps, as they may be using data without permission. Next, update your OS and apps to close security gaps, and run a security scan with a trusted mobile antivirus. If issues persist, perform a factory reset to clear harmful apps. Just be sure to back up any important data first, as this will erase all personal files. Another common symptom to look out for is degraded or sluggish response times. If the device feels unusually slow, it could be a result of malware quietly using up system resources. Once malware becomes embedded on your device, it can consume memory, processing power, and even battery life, leading to a device that feels like it's constantly lagging or struggling to keep up. You might notice extended load times, delays when switching apps, or even difficulty handling basic tasks like opening messages or browsing the web. These signs can all indicate that malicious software is running in the background, draining resources, and potentially collecting sensitive information. To troubleshoot, begin by restarting the device, as this can temporarily halt malware processes and free up resources. Next, review running apps and processes in your settings. Suspicious or unfamiliar applications consuming significant memory or CPU might be to blame. Uninstall any unfamiliar or recently installed apps that seem suspicious, as malware often hides in seemingly legitimate programs. Updating the operating system and applications is another key step, as it closes security gaps that malware may exploit. Running a security scan with a trusted mobile antivirus can help detect and remove malicious software. If these steps don't resolve the issue, a factory reset may be necessary to restore the device to its original settings and eliminate the malware. Again, remember to back up your data first. If you are experiencing limited or no internet connectivity, this can indicate a security issue as well. Common causes of this issue include malware that has altered network settings, disabled essential system services, or is interfering with the firewall. In some cases, malware may cause excessive background data usage, blocking normal internet access. Additionally, DNS corruption or redirection attacks can also contribute to connectivity issues by rerouting URL requests to malicious sites. To troubleshoot, start by restarting both your device and router to refresh the connection. Review network settings, including DNS and proxy configurations, and reset them to default if you notice unfamiliar entries. Ensure your OS and apps are updated to close security gaps that malware could exploit. Run a security scan with a trusted antivirus to identify potential infections. Switching to a trusted DNS server may also help. As a last step, if connectivity problems continue, a factory reset may be required to remove embedded malware. Another telltale sign of malware is fake security warnings. These warnings usually come with aggressive pop-ups, urging users to download a security app or antivirus tool, which is in fact malware disguised as protection software. The scare tactics are designed to create a sense of urgency, prompting users to take immediate action without verifying the legitimacy of the warning. Once downloaded, this malicious software can cause even more harm, from data theft to further infection of the device. To troubleshoot, start by closing any suspicious pop-ups without clicking on them. Uninstall any recently added or unfamiliar apps, especially security apps you didn't intentionally install. Then run a security scan with a trusted antivirus app to detect and remove malicious software. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to remove any embedded malware. Unexpected application behavior is another major warning sign. If an app suddenly starts opening on its own, showing bizarre graphics, crashing all the time, or freezing for no reason, it might be more than just bug-ridden code, it could be malware. Sometimes, these oddities happen when malware is hiding in an app, or when the app itself is designed to worm its way into your device's controls. This type of malware may snoop around your data, monitor your activities, or even try to gain system-level access. If you haven't already noticed, the troubleshooting process for all these issues is pretty similar with just a few tweaks. You might even be able to guess what's coming next, but just to be thorough, here's the troubleshooting breakdown once again. To troubleshoot your possessed app, start by closing it if it's currently open and acting strangely. Uninstall any unfamiliar or recently installed apps that you didn't intentionally add, as they could be causing the issue. After removing any suspicious apps, restart your device to ensure no residual processes are running. Run a security scan with a trusted antivirus to check for any embedded malware. Also, make sure your OS and all apps are updated. And if these attempts at an app exorcism don't do the trick, consider a factory reset to remove deeply embedded malware. Lastly, one of the most alarming signs of malware is when personal files or data is leaked or shared without your permission. If you notice that photos, contacts, messages, or other sensitive information has been accessed or shared without your authorization, it could indicate a serious data breach. This can occur if malware is actively harvesting data from your device or if compromised credentials have allowed someone unauthorized access to your accounts. In either case, it's a clear warning that your security has been breached and immediate action is required. To troubleshoot and secure your data, start by changing passwords on affected accounts, replacing them with strong, complex, unique passwords. Enabling multi-factor authentication, MFA, wherever possible, adds an extra layer of protection by requiring an additional verification step, even if a password is compromised. Next, review account activity to check for unauthorized logins or suspicious actions, such as login attempts from unfamiliar locations or devices. If you find any, log out of all active sessions immediately. Run a security scan on your device using a trusted antivirus or anti-malware app to detect and remove any malicious software that might be collecting or sharing your data. Additionally, revoke app permissions for any apps that don't need access to your personal files, particularly photos, contacts, and messages. And finally, ensure that OS and app updates are installed to protect against vulnerabilities that malware might exploit. The symptoms we've discussed are just a few you may encounter, but new vulnerabilities are always emerging. Therefore, the best approach is to stay alert, keep your security tools up to date, and never underestimate the creativity of malicious actors. With a proactive approach, you can keep your mobile devices secure and respond quickly to any new threats that come your way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.